In this video I'm going to show you how you can see who you have liked on Instagram. If you liked somebody and forget it, there is a way to find all your likes on Instagram, and that is quite simple and easy, guys, so let's begin. First, start with open up your Instagram app and there hit on your profile icon to open up your profile, and now there hit on that three lines icon and select there your activity. Now here tap on interactions and there select likes, and on that page you got the list of posts that you have ever liked. So now you can watch that posts, and if you wish to remove some likes you have to open up that post and simply dislike or unlike that post if you want. That's how it works, guys. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.